What's up guys, all good? My name is Henry. In this video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about the Ancestral Abundance Code before you decide to buy it. And please pay close attention, because I also have some very important warnings to share with you. It's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't risk losing your money or falling for the wrong expectations. The first and most important point of attention is this: be very careful about the website where you purchase the product. As of today, the Ancestral Abundance Code is only sold on the official website. There are fake pages and copied versions out there trying to look legitimate. To help you stay safe, I've left the official website link below in the video description and also pinned it in the first comment. If you decide to buy, make sure it's through that link. Now, I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this honest review to share my experience and help you understand whether the Ancestral Abundance Code really works and if it makes sense for you. So, what is the Ancestral Abundance Code? The Ancestral Abundance Code is a digital audio program that claims to help users unlock hidden prosperity genes within their DNA. According to the creator, the idea is based on epigenetics, the science of how behaviors and environment can influence gene expression. The program suggests that financial struggles may not be just about mindset or strategy, but could also be linked to inherited trauma that has switched off abundance-related genetic patterns. The core of the program is a bedtime audio track. You're supposed to play it while you fall asleep. This track uses specific sound frequencies, especially Theta and Delta brainwave patterns, which are commonly associated with deep relaxation and subconscious access. The goal is to calm your nervous system, reduce stress, and guide your brain into a receptive state. Unlike traditional manifestation methods that rely heavily on affirmations, visualization exercises, journaling, or conscious repetition, this program claims to work automatically. You don't need prior meditation experience. You don't need to force positive thinking. The promise is simple: press play, relax, and allow the audio to influence your subconscious and, supposedly, your genetic expression while you sleep. The program also includes bonus materials, such as a genetic wealth blueprint guide, a family wealth meditation, and a methylation optimization guide. It presents itself as a combination of modern science and ancestral wisdom, designed to help you improve your financial results with minimal effort. But how does it claim to work? According to the creators, the process is called epigenetic activation. The theory is that your DNA contains dormant prosperity-related genes that were turned off due to stress, trauma, or generational hardship. By using carefully layered audio frequencies, the program aims to influence epigenetic markers, the biological signals that determine which genes are active. First, the theta frequencies are set to calm the body and lower stress hormones like cortisol, shifting you out of survival mode. Then, embedded prosperity phrases, placed below conscious hearing, are designed to communicate directly with your subconscious and what the program calls cellular memory. Finally, delta frequencies during deep sleep are claimed to support regeneration and reprogramming. The overall promise is that, over time, these repeated sessions can reactivate dormant abundance patterns, leading to increased confidence, better decision-making, greater opportunity awareness, and improved financial outcomes. Now, whether you see it as cutting-edge science or a modern manifestation tool, the key is to approach it with realistic expectations and make an informed decision before investing your money.